guys, it's me, Kiara, and Lolli, Lolli, wake up. Lolli.
Hi! I'm Molly.
Okay,
Yeah.
so today we went around town and we found this thing on the side of the road. You want to know what it is?
It's a dog bed.
It's not a dog bed. She thinks it is. Because she
It's
thinks
so
it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
You want to really know what it is? Really?
We're going to show you anyway.
Yeah. Ready, set, now! It's a trampoline! It's a mini trampoline, for dog's sake. Yeah. Anyway, it's beautiful.
Okay,
So, we're going to start Crazy Trampoline Dance Time!
Yes.
I'm gonna start
I love this, I love this, I love this. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Is it playing?
I don't know.
Son of a... No butt. One. Is it no VIP?
Happy birthday.
Well,
Yeah.
God,
Tired.
it is hot in these things. Bruh.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go.
Have fun. Like it.
Here and Lolly.
Well,
See ya.